Total gain 1,484%. Welcome to the channel. Today, we are introducing a powerful and fully automated trading robot called forex. Pairs odd in ZD in ZDCAD. Odd CAD carefully selected for stable price movement and strong trading opportunities. To operate this efficiently, a minimum balance of $100 is required. Timeframe M5, designed for fast execution and precise short-term entries. Originally priced at $499, you can now get it for only $20, exclusively available on FX Pro. Now let's take a look at the EA's performance. This AI has achieved an impressive total gain of 1,484%. While maintaining a low drawdown of just 38%. It also maintains a strong 67% win rate, with only 33% of trades ending in loss. Now, let's open MetaTrader and set up the EA. Inside the Inputs tab, you can adjust the settings to match your trading style. The EA is now fully configured and ready to trade. For full details and instant download, visit our website FX Crow. Thanks for watching our video.